Hi everyone, this is day 1 of the Christmas craft series and you're watching Amina Creations. Please do subscribe if you have not yet done. So today I'm making a Christmas star. For this I have taken 5 pieces of paper. I have mentioned the dimensions below. Then take one piece of paper, fold as shown. This is a very easy way of making a Christmas star. Here I'm making a small star, but you can change the dimensions to make a bigger star. This is a special Christmas craft series for all my friends and viewers who are celebrating Christmas. In this Christmas craft series, I will be posting a new Christmas craft every day, all through the month of December till Christmas Eve. In the same way, we have to fold the remaining 4 pieces and stick them all together as shown. Finally, glue the last 2 pieces. Our Christmas star is now ready. You can see how simple and easy it was to make this. Now to give the final touches, take some small stickers, or you can also use beads and stick in the middle. Then I have also taken a small piece of jute twine, which I am going to glue on top. And that's it, our cute little Christmas star is now ready. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another Christmas craft video tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.